All right, ladies, this is Alex from Mindful Attraction, and today we're going to be talking about why you keep falling for the bad boy. All right, and just to let you guys know, I have a seminar in New York City coming up. I have two seminars in New York City, so go, and one in Chicago, one in LA, one in Toronto, and one in Miami, and then Sydney, Australia. So if you guys want to go, click on the description down below. And look, man, it's particularly the Sydney one. I will not go if 20 people don't go. I'm just letting you guys know. Like most of the time, I mean almost all the time when I put my seminars a few months in advance, it always fills up. But I'm just letting you guys know that if I don't, because I'm not going to Australia. If 5 people go, I'm just letting you guys know, man. But that's not gonna happen. But I'm just letting people know. So tell your friends to come, okay? Now look, this kind of person, that women that fall for the bad boys, all right, it's kind of fascinating, people. And the reason why is because you have to hit the notification button on my channel in the description down below to find out, all right? Look, this kind of guy tends to be young most of the time, all right? And they don't have, most of the time, they don't have to be super successful. But the point is that this kind of guy is not approved by their family, right? This kind of guy is either not that successful or completely outside of their social circle. It's kind of like the equivalent of women who like to bang black dudes just to piss off their dads. You see what I'm saying? Not the same, but almost like the same thing. It's kind of like you're going after a guy that your family does not approve, right? And sometimes this guy could be broke and the girl comes from an affluent family, right? And this broke dude will seem to the woman unconventional and as a rebel, rather than a broke dude who has no life, right? The woman will see these kind of things as good traits. The fact that he doesn't like to work 9 to 5, the fact that he sells drugs, she'll see it as part of his rebellious nature, right? It's kind of like the Titanic syndrome, like the Jack syndrome, wherein Rose is attracted to Jack, is unconsciously attracted to Jack because he symbolizes freedom. He symbolizes who she wants to be, right? This type of woman had a strong relationship with a patriarchal father, a father who was very strict, like Rose from Titanic. This father was critical, and she never felt like she was ever enough. She dreamed of rebelling, but the discipline that her parents gave her caused her rebellion to be suppressed, right? And it became part of her rebellious animus, right? Her animus, right, became rebellious, right? So rather than her developing her own rebellious nature, rather than her integrating her rebellion into her character, she projects it onto a man who appears to be rebellious. So if I cannot be rebellious, which is what projection is, I'll choose somebody else to be rebellious for me, right? Like, it's kind of like if I cannot process these emotions, I'm gonna find somebody else whom I could project those emotions onto and release that tension, right? So she projects it onto a man who appears to be rebellious. So if I just look rebellious, I could automatically trigger that rebellious animus within the woman, right? The woman will chase a young man so that it doesn't have to remind her of an older man. So most of the time, these kind of bad boys tend to be young because she doesn't want a reminder of her dad. She doesn't want a reminder of older patriarchal figures of authority, right? So how do you deal with these kind of things? One, if you notice these projections, you must realize that you have to develop your own assertiveness and willingness to disobey order. You got to learn how to develop that assertiveness. And that comes through learning how to express your aggression, learning how to speak up to yourself. I'm going to put on the description down below a video that teaches you how to be more assertive. But the point is that you got to develop your own inner rebellious nature. Begin to embrace your the belief systems that you have that are considered rebellious. You can build it up slowly, right? By saying no from time to time and breaking rules from time to time. By being assertive, you can have relationships that are more equal. You can have relationships that you don't have to be looking for a bad boy. You got to develop your own bad side. You gotta learn to be bad. You gotta learn how to be bad from time to time. And that is the solution for it. First, see the projection mechanism. If you were raised by strict parents, you're most likely you'll have a rebellious nature. So you wanna first see the connection, see that is the real problem. And after that, learn to express that assertiveness. Begin to stop being a pushover. Begin to take more risk. Begin to break more rules. Begin to live your own life how you want to live it. And stop caring what people think of you. And over time, when you focus your energy towards that direction, it's naturally going to fix and lower those projections. And then you'll be able to have relationships that are more equal. Relationships where you relate to each other, not with your fantasies. I talk a lot about this in my course. It's natural chemistry, ladies and gentlemen. So I recommend you guys check it out. All right, ladies? All right, ladies. You guys be safe. And check out my seminar that's coming up. And if you guys want one-on-one coaching, go to the description down below. Peace out, motherfucker. All right, ladies. So I know you guys have checked out many different courses, many different books on how to create and maintain a long-lasting relationships, but not many of them have the structure that we're going to be having in this course, which is natural chemistry. This course you guys have been waiting for a few months, and I've been having an extremely great time coming out with this course because this course is so unique that I was tempted to call it the greatest course of all time for women, to be honest with you, but you know, I have to stay humble, all right? This course is a 5-week course, ladies and gentlemen. A 5-week course with a bunch of bonuses on how to maintain, how to keep the guys, create chemistry, and have long-lasting relationships that are healthy and that make you thrive, all right? We're going to be talking about the week 1. We're going to be talking about strategies for creating and maintaining a deep connection, right? I'm going to be going over all of the strategies to do that. After week 2, we're going to be talking about male nature, helping you understand a different kind of guys. After that, we're going to be talking about how to control your emotions when you're in love. After that, we're going to be talking about how to set boundaries. Each week, you get a new video so that you're able to digest it in a slow way. After that, we're going to be talking about how to embrace your masculine and your feminine, right? On top of that, we're going to have a bunch of bonuses. Bonuses such as how the breakup formula, connecting and communicating with your man, establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, maintaining your self-esteem, the goal-setting seminar, practical mastery, how to master anything, which is what I use to learn how to draw. The laws of human nature. We're going to be talking about the 3 chapters: the law of irrationality, the law of narcissism, and learning how to see through people's masks. We're going to have the transformational seminar in a pocket for those who purchase, for those who are the first 30 purchases. We're going to be talking about the chase. No, we're going to be giving you guys the free audiobook, which is the chase, right? All of this, people, you get with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's right, a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you could just return it. And the price of all of this starts at $197. We have a whole bunch of different packages, but the beginning price is $197, ladies and gentlemen. Right? So I know you guys will like this because this course originally was going to cost over $2,000. Actually, $1,800, but I decided to not put in some content. But it was originally priced at $1,800. But I'm going to be giving you guys starting at $197, ladies and gentlemen, with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means if you don't like it, or if you guys just want to try it out, because we all have the freeloaders out there, I don't mind. Go ahead and give it a try, freeloaders, because you guys will also get free previews of the video. So if for all the freeloaders out there, you guys can check it out. And I do not mind. Please check it out, because even the free videos are useful. Because at the end of the day, this is to help you guys. This is to help you guys create natural chemistry. This is to help you guys create that love and bond that you guys always wanted with your man. That means if you're in a relationship, you will learn how to deepen that relationship. If you're not in a relationship, you will learn how to not fuck it up, all right? So I'll see you guys inside, because I can promise you, this is the best course I've made. And I've made plenty of different courses for men and women. This is the best course I made. It is comprehensive. It has over 10 hours of content, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll see you guys inside, and I hope to see you guys there. Don't forget, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. So if you don't like it, you could just return it. All right? Okay. See you guys inside. Bye-bye.